National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for, oh motherfucking oh, it's you again. Can't you see that I'm trying to save your life, asshole? Continuing on, until 5 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over, you know what? Very well then, fuck you. Keep ignoring me if you and your family want to die. Oh shit, here comes the tornado. Wow, see, you didn't even flinch. I'm trying to warn you of a tornado, but faggots, shitheads, bitch fucks, niggas, and hentai lovers like you keep ignoring me.
Oh no you don't. Don't you ever say that. That was extremely rude and racist. Why don't you take your stuff with you and go shove them up your ass?
What about you go fuck yourself or go play with the traffic or something?
Ugh, fine. Whatever.
Sorry about that. Where was I? There. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Oh, what the fucking fuck. You really fell asleep? Very well. As a result of your intoxicating behavior, I guess I have the right to say whatever the fuck I want. You are a loser. You stink with a pile of dirty, rotten shit that mostly came from farm animals. I heard that you have no friends, and you play with Lego figures and blow-up dolls, and you are gay. And yes, when I mean gay, that means you're extremely gay since you like to dream about men. If you are a girl or a woman ignoring me, then you are a lesbian who likes to dream about women's body parts. Well, if you're dead, I'll keep going. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. I'm starting to feel a little tired, so I'm about to get late and watch some hentai. Sayonara, motherfucker.